Hey, we're down here at the Browns Mill battlefield with Alan Rutledge, myself, and of course Missy behind the camera. He's got his drone up there in the air somewhere. I hear a little weed eater, but don't see it. And we're kind of filming down the creek line from where the Carpenter's Mill sign in the Indian Village, and just checking out some stuff from drone perspective. Now, I may have to come back in the winter when the foliage is gone a little bit, but somewhere up there's a drone taking a picture. Get over here. We're farther up the creek line, making our way back toward where we believe Carpenter's Mill, and then well down from that would have been Brown's Mill. But this is where a little tributary comes in, and kind of a flat area back here, and there's some large rock back here that probably used for the dam of the creek years ago.